out the window, there was a big gold cucumber. Then she cut up the big gold cucumber and brought it into her house. She opened the big gold cucumber by using a knife. She was surprised. She found a beautiful baby girl inside. Since that day, she was happy. Her loneliness was gone. She really loved her baby. Oh, do you know the name of her baby? The name was Timas. Day by day, Timas grew as a beautiful girl. She kind and diligent. Many people loved her. During the happy moment, the old farmer remembered about the giant said. When Timas was 17 years old, she was given to the giant. The old farmer was so confused. She didn't want her daughter gone. She went to the jungle to meet Resi. She asked Resi to keep Timas from the giant. Resi gave her 4 little pots containing cucumber seed, needle, salt, and syrup. Few days later, the giant went to the farmer's house angrily and said, "Hey, the old farmer, remember your promise. I have waited 17 years to keep Timas, but you never come to give her for me. Let me take Timas or I will kill you." The giant entered the farmer's house angrily and said, "Ah, where is Timas?" The farmer heard the giant's voice and called Timas. She gave Timas 4 little pots and asked Timas for a runaway. The giant on Timas ran away and he tried to catch Timas. She spread the cucumber seed. They became cucumbers. Then the giant sat down and ate all the cucumber. Yum, yum, yum. After that, the giant fell asleep. Oh no, I must catch Timas. The giant sat up and continued to catch Timas. Timas know the giant tried to catch her again. Then she spread the needles. Surprisingly, the needles became a jungle of bamboo. The giant tried to enter the jungle, but he was hurt by a bamboo. Ow! Ow! The giant tried to catch Timas again. Timas know the giant tried to catch Timas again. She was panicked. She spread the salt. The salt became a sea. The giant swam the sea. Timas felt very sad. She didn't want to be a giant fool. Timas said and cried, "No, no, I'm scared of the giant, the big body and the ugly face. Let me go, let me go. Audience, audience, help me please. I'm so scared right now." Finally, Timas threw the syrup. Magically, the syrup became a large boiling mud lake. The giant